So what does this all mean for the M&A market going into 2021? And I want to end with three major themes. So 2020 was difficult for everyone, but it really finished strong in the fourth quarter, and we're optimistic. I think everyone is optimistic about 2021. The other thing that we'll talk about is the stock market uh, rebounded and in fact set records after the precipitous drop in March. So that and that's a forward-looking entity. So that's something that we'll talk about a little bit. And then what has happened, and I can relate in my business. There's sellers have been on the sideline. So if you think about a typical family-owned business, it's been owned for a long time. That's baby boomer generation owners that are looking to retire. Um, they've held on probably longer than expected, and so there was this, we called it the silver tsunami, the wave of baby boomers, of which I'm one. That's there of people looking at retirement, and it wasn't happening though. It was, and I think there was a seller's market leading up to COVID. So multiples continued to increase. There was a lot of good news. Um, and I think what's happened is that the shock of the pandemic and the realities that it's put in place have caused a lot of people to reassess things and you know make decisions about whether they want to continue to work for a period of time. So the big question that we're going to try to assess is: are the buyers jumping in? Are they comfortable buying? That I think is the $1 million question for 2021.